Hi guys, this is Steph again and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about credit scores for easy loan approval. So if you are planning to take out a loan and you want to get approved very fast, then this video is for you. First of all, guys, I want you to understand that building and maintaining your credit scores are two different things. So, in building your credit score, one way to do that is through the use of credit cards. And also another way is through loan applications. While maintaining your credit card is a different thing, which we will discuss also later. So before nagpapautang yung mga lenders, especially banks and PAGIBIG, what they do is they check your credit scores. So hindi lang enough na you have high income, so what they also do is they make investigation as to your credit history. So before you apply for a loan, guys, it is highly recommended that you check your credit report through your credit scores, and there is a way to do that. But before we go there, let us discuss first what is a credit score. So a credit score is a numeric summary of your credit history. So this is what the lenders use to predict the likelihood of you repaying the loans that they make to you. So para siyang ano guys, it is one way to measure your financial health, and it is also a way to measure your creditworthiness or to assess your creditworthiness. So the credit score usually ranges from 300 to 850. So nakakategorize siya into high risk, medium risk, low risk, and very low risk. So the higher the number, the lower the risk. So if nasa 800 ka or 700 to 800, it is highly possible that you will be approved of your loan faster. Pero if yung score mo is nasa 300, 400, 500, I think that is high risk already. So actually guys, there are 5 parang criterias that they usually measure para makuha yung credit score mo. And number 1 is your payment history. So payment history meaning to say, gaano ka ba kadalas magbayad? Meron ka bang mga delayed payments? Meron na bang mga interest yung mga loans mo kasi hindi ka nagbabayad on due date? So that's one way they measure it. Second is your credit utilization, meaning to say, yung utilization ratio mo ba is mataas? Like, gabi ka ba mag-consume ng utang? So for example, if you have a credit card, tapos yung credit limit mo is, for example lang ha, 100,000. Tapos in a month, ang nagagamit mo is parang 80,000. Like, kinukonsume mo talaga almost like 80% of your credit limit. So that's 80% credit utilization sa credit card mo, which is not favorable on your part. Because ideally, guys, your utilization ratio talaga is 10% lang sana. But pwede na rin standard 30%. Third, guys, is your credit exposure. So meaning to say, yung length ng utang. So it is better if yung utang mo is hindi talaga yung max na loan term. So it is favorable on your part if you can pay early. Fourth is new credit. So gaano ba kadalas ka nagti-take out ng loan? So ganun. So different kinds of loan that you take out. And number 5 is the credit mix. So meaning to say, if for example, meron kang house loan, tapos kumuha ka na naman ng car loan, ano pa ba? Mga cellphone loans and other loans. It will boost your credit score, guys, if you have these different types of loans and you are still able to pay this all on time. As in, nagbo-boost yung credit score mo dyan. So meaning to say, kahit responsible ka in paying your loans kahit nag-mix up na sila. Kahit nag-mix na yung different types of credits. So that would be really favorable on your part. So second, what is the process for you to know your credit score? So in order for you to know your credit score, you need to have access to the credit report, which can be provided by the different credit bureaus in the Philippines, like we have CIC, or the Credit Investigation Corporation, and we also have Transunion. So these are 2 of the credit bureaus or an agency in which they can provide your credit reports. So you can go to the website of CIC, the Credit Information Corporation pala guys, instead of Credit Investigation. So CIC, so in this website, you can see here this section. So you can get your CIC credit report here. So actually, there are different processes. So you can download the app through the CIBI app. And then another step is for your account verification. So you will schedule an appointment. So you just follow these steps. And then you will have parang video call for character verification. And you would have to pay for the fee. So another way also, guys, is just in case lang fully booked tong CIC, another agency in which you can access your credit report is through Transunion. So ito si Transunion, the same day, nagbibigay sila ng credit report. So you can also request for the your credit report here. Actually, before, free to si Transunion. I just don't know lang today if they are still free for you to get your credit report. So for CIC, guys, this is an example of the credit report that you will be getting. So you will see here all your personal information, and the most important part is makikita mo dito yung credit history mo talaga, your installment payments, yung mga na-refuse, na-request, yung active na mga credit cards. So ganun, makikita mo talaga lahat ng history. So they will use this as a basis to generate your credit scores. But guys, don't worry, there is a way to improve your credit score. So one way, ang basis natin is yung criteria. Okay? So if you are still young and you are planning to take out a loan like few years from now, so it is really better na you will plan ahead. So I would recommend, if you have other loan applications, please pay your dues on time. And it is also better nga if you have advance payments. It will really boost up your credit scores. So kasi nare-record yan, how many times nag-advance payment in a month, so mga ganon. So those things really matter. And also it is also important to note, guys, yung mga inquiries natin sa mga lending institutions, especially if these lending institutions are affiliated with the CIC, so sinasubmit nila yung mga reports na yan, if we are really signed up for them na. So yung transactions natin, yung frequency and all payments, nare-record yan sa CIC. So parang fino-forward nila yan. So nare-record doon yung parang hard inquiries mo, mga soft inquiries. So if pabalak mong mag-loan, nag-i-inquire ka na, tapos eventually nag-take out ka na talaga ng loan, so that one will affect your credit scores. So just make sure that you will really pay on time. In terms of credit cards also, it is better that you will not wait for the due date. Mas maganda if frequently in a month nagbabayad ka, nag-a-advance payment ka. As in, aside from easy loan approval, it is also better for your credit limit. Kasi yung banks, tinataasan nila yung credit limit ng cardholder if nakikita nila na magaling magbayad. Tapos another tip also is limit your loan application. So parang dahan-dahan lang. If alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi mo kaya bayaran lahat ng loan applications mo, so one at a time lang. So tapusin mo na yung isa bago mag-apply sa isa. Kasi tendency niyan is baka ma-sacrifice yung dalawang loan mo. So parang nawala ang lahat, tapos nagkautang-utang ka pa. So, ganun lang. And then, pay on time, wag malilate talaga. So, basically, the bottom line here is, if you will take out a loan, please be responsible and also assess first before taking out a loan. Kaya mo ba talagang bayaran? So, pay your bills talaga, guys, diligently and on time. Kasi, nare-record talaga siya. So, for example, if you have parang, anong tawag dyan? Mga plans sa cellphones, and insurances, so pay it on time so that it will not hurt your credit scores. Remember, guys, yung credit report mo will last for, parang yung transactions dun is, it will last for 3 years. So, iplano mo na talaga if when ka magti-take out ng loan para makonsider mo pa on how to improve it. So, if you have other bills na overdue na, bayaran na. So, para meron ka pang chance ma-approve for your loan application. So I think that would be all. I will just put the links of the CIC and the Transunion in the description below so you can check it out if you want to know your credit scores or your credit report. So I think wala masyadong nakakaalam nito, like walang nag-check. Usually what we do is we just apply na agad sa PAGIBIG or sa bank loan without knowing if papasa ba tayo, like ina-assess natin beforehand kung papasa tayo for the loan application. So it is really very helpful for you to manage your expectations if you know your credit score through these credit reports. So that would be all, guys. I hope you learned a lot in this video. And if you have other video suggestions, please comment down below. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you again in my next video. Thank you. Bye.